guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are doing the first makeup tutorial of the iHeart Revolution and Disney collaboration, and we're starting off with Cinderella. So I hope you guys are getting comfortable. Now I hope you're all doing well, and you know, tomorrow is officially lockdown, and if anybody's working from home, or if anybody is really feeling low or just needs a little someone to chat to, DM me, get into my inbox and just have a chat. I'm, you know, happy to help in any way I can, and I'm going to be trying to upload every single day throughout the rest of the month, throughout the whole of lockdown, just to come every single day with hopefully putting a smile on your faces. You'll either get bored and fed up of me, or I will hopefully put a smile on your faces, and that's what I'm going to try and do to you, for you guys, come to you and share as much as I can. We've got Christmas gift ideas coming, we've got makeup tutorials, we've got some friends coming. You guys let me know, do you want me to an unboxing of a subscription box a day, or do you want me just to do them all in one video like I normally do? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will, you know, check it out, and I might even do a poll over on Instagram and see what everybody is thinking about that. So yeah, let's get into the video, but before we do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so first up, we're gonna go obviously and do the eyes. So I've put my base on. I've got my IT Cosmetics CC cream, which I absolutely love. I'm only staying home, so you know, there's no point putting full foundation on really. So we're gonna go in and create something with this, and I'm thinking blue, but I want to add a little bit of pink to it as well. Do you think that will go? Obviously it will go. Right, this is on because my scalp is really bad and I need to go and get my hair done, so I thought I need to get this video up. So I put a headband on, and I thought it goes with the colour of today. You know, we're going all pink and blue, so why not? Okay, so let's get into creating something. I was talking to a couple of my YouTube buddies and Instagram buddies, like telling them, oh my god, you guys have created some amazing looks using this palette, and I don't know if I can do it, because you know what, I'm not very confident when it comes to eyes, but we're going to see what we can do. And yeah, I don't think I'll be able to do any cut creases though, but we'll give it a try if we feel we need to. Okay, so let's get into creating this look, and this is using the Cinderella palette, and this is the face palette, which is the full eyeshadows there, and then you've got bronzers and highlighters there, and then I'm gonna go in with the Cinderella eyelashes. Oh, and I need to announce the giveaway winner, don't I? I'll do that on Instagram. I'll do that tonight, I think. Yeah, and then we've got the Cinderella lip topper and the highlighter as well, which we will go in. I've seen some reviews, and I had a feeling that's not going to be as pigmented as we think it's going to be. I realised that when I was testing it, but we'll see what we can do. But yeah, let's get creating, guys. Okay, so I'm going to take my Spectrum B006 brush, and it's a big nice fluffy blending brush, and then we're going to go in with, okay, so we're going to go in with Daydream as the transition colour. Guys, are you ready? Honestly, I've never, I'm excited and nervous, but let's see what we can do. Okay, so we're just going to pack that onto the brush, just all that there, and then just going to go into the crease and blend that out. Maybe if I use more of a daintier brush. Where is the rest of my brushes? Let's go in with this one. This is a shader brush, so let's just use this, and then we can blend it out in a second. Okay, and we just blend it out with this brush. And then if it blends out too much, then we can obviously go back in and pack some more colour on. So I feel like it really doesn't suit me. We'll figure it out. Blend that out. Okay, then we'll go in with, I'm really liking Fairy Godmother, which is this blue here. Okay, and then we will, to be fair, all my brushes could do with a clean, it's so bad. Go in with Fairy Godmother, and we're just going to pack it here into the crease. Just going to use it and blend it out, shall I say. Got more like a green colour now than a blue. I'm really liking that midnight. I'm thinking maybe to do a bit of a smoky and using this one here. So that's that midnight there. It's like a dark blue. It's like a navy really. fireworks have started again. Just gonna blend that out. And then I can just tidy it up with foundation, okay? And then I'm gonna go in with ball gown, which is this light blue here, and put that on my lid. Yeah, I like that. What are we thinking about this look? Actually, the colours are absolutely beautiful. I feel like I want to put a bit of purple pink in it. I'm thinking just to add this a little bit on the top as well. Let's do it. See what happens. So this is Tremaine. Oh, I like that. That looks gorgeous. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with using whatever's on the brush with Midnight, and then just go under the bottom here. Sparkle underneath as well. Let's go in with Glass Slipper. Should we do a bit of green? Let's do the Gus. In fact, I'm going to put Gus in the middle of my lid there. Pop that, okay. Get some mascara on. We're going in with the Spectrum Dark Matter. Okay, and then let's get the eyelashes sorted. Going in with the Cinderella. These are very, very, very plain and gorgeous, as you can see. Okay, and then we'll get the rest of the face sorted as well once we've got these on. So we'll leave them to just go a bit tacky, and then we can apply them quickly. Let's go in with some blusher. So we'll go take the blusher brush. And then we're going to go in with, I'm going to use a little bit of, so I might go Waltz and A Dream Is a Wish. So these two together, just mix them up a little bit. Put pink in as well. Put some bronzer on, as always. I'm obviously going in with the Marc Jacobs bronzer, and this is in Tantastic. Oh my god, it's my favourite. I'm just going to quickly jump off and get my lashes on, and then I'll be right back. 2 minutes. Okay, so these are the lashes. They're very, very subtle. Very, very subtle. And yeah. Okay, so we've done blusher, we've done bronzer. Now we need to do some highlight. So let's get this. Okay, so we'll go in with some highlight, and then we'll go in with, so you got Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. So we could go in with a little bit of Bibbidi. So we're going to go in with Bibbidi. It should be Bibbidi Bobbidi as well. Well, we'll see. A little bit, isn't it? Oh god. There I go again. Blend that down a little bit. Okay, and then just give me 1 second. I think I've got a blue eyeliner. So I've got the NYX Professional Makeup eyeliner in the shade Azure. And then do we just go over the lip like this, or do we put a lipstick underneath? Because it's a lip topper. Should we just put it underneath? Because we don't want anything too much on the lip, do we? It smells amazing. A little bit of a gliss shine there. I think that you need to put a base nude maybe, or a pink, and then put this on top so it can really stand out the shade at the bottom. But there you have it, guys. That is, oh, should we try this? Let's try this highlighter as well and see if this works. This is more of a pinky toned highlight, which I think I'm gonna like. Oh yeah, I like that. There you go. What do you think? I think I would just stick to the highlighters that are in the palette. As in, if you want to get the collection, just go for the face palette with the lashes and the lip topper. The lip topper smells delicious. So there you have it, guys. That is the Cinderella look that I have created today. I hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, tomorrow, I hope you come back and we will do, should do Princess on the Frog tomorrow. So make sure you come back for that. And I hope you liked this look. I don't know why I did that. Doesn't even know anyway. But yeah, like I said, I will be coming to you every single day for the next month or so to keep you company during lockdown, and I hope you guys enjoy and come on this journey with me throughout lockdown. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.